Bonfire night. Every year on November the 5th. In England, people commemorate Guy Fawkes. Children make puppets with old clothes and ask a penny for the guy. In the evening, they burn the puppets in bonfires and look at fireworks.